Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the theme slider header type in the WpRentals theme. The theme slider can be set as page header and will be a slider with the listings selected in theme options. Next I will show the steps that you need to take to set it. First, you can assign the theme slider as page header global from theme option, and this header type will apply for all your new pages, and you can also set it custom only for one page. In theme options you will find the header settings under header, hero, media header, and here you need to select theme slider. To set the theme slider only on one page, you will need to edit the page, scroll down to appearance options, and here select theme slider. Once you set theme slider as your page header, you will need to set it, and the options can be found in theme options, hero, media, theme slider. Here you need to select the properties that will be visible in the slider. You'll have this drop down with all your property names, or you can add here the IDs of the listings that you want to be visible on front end. Here you can set the number of milliseconds for the slider rotation, and you can also select the design type. You have two types to choose from. The type 1 will show like this. You'll have the arrows here, you'll have a view more button, and type 2 you'll have the arrows here. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching.